Hey everyone, it's Connor from Bullion Now, and today we're going to have a closer look at the 1 ounce Platinum 2022 Kangaroos. Now, we've got a few of these Platinum Kangaroos in, and I just wanted to show us and have a good look at it and show it off. It's really hard for somebody who's just gotten into precious metals and the bullion industry to differentiate the platinum and silvers. That's something that I've been trying to teach myself. The first main giveaway from the difference between platinum and silver is the density. So as you can see, this coin here has a smaller diameter than the 1 ounce silver coins. If you haven't added any platinum to your stack, this is a good one to get in, especially if you are looking at adding some Australian precious metals. The Kangaroo design is one of my favorites, so I thought I'd just give you guys a quick look at what we had in stock and what we have in stock. We were talking a little bit on the last live stream about the platinum, and different kinds of platinum, and here is a really good example of a 1 ounce platinum coin. I think it's really clean, really nice. Obviously the shine is something to behold, and yeah, there you go, there's a nice up close look of it. Queen Lizzie on the back there, and the beautiful Australian kangaroo on the front. So if you're looking at getting yourself one of these platinum pieces or adding some platinum to your stack, there you go, we got a bunch of kangaroos in there, and what better way to add to an Australian stack than to get a kangaroo. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.